Realme is one of the few brands that has been quite aggressively launching smartphones in many countries. The company has already introduced 5 smartphones in a span of 3 months, and we have Realme X7 series, Narzo 30 series, Realme GT 5G flagship smartphone, and the recently launched Realme 8 series. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the latest, best new Realme phones that you can consider to buy in 2021. So which is your favorite new Realme phone? Please comment in the comment section. Please hit the like button to share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Realme 8 Pro. Realme 8 Pro is the latest and the new smartphone from Realme. The smartphone was launched on 24th of March 2021. Coming to its specification, the phone comes with a beautiful 6.4-inch touchscreen display with a full HD Plus resolution. The smartphone runs Snapdragon 720G coupled with a 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and this is the downside of this smartphone as we have expected 750G or 765G. The smartphone runs Android 11 software and it is powered by 4500 mAh of battery, comes with a fast charging support. As far as cameras are concerned, the Realme 8 Pro on the rear packs 108MP primary camera with an aperture of f1.88 and an 8MP camera with an aperture of f2.25, a 2MP camera with an f2.4 and a 2MP camera with an f2.4 aperture. And Realme 8 Pro is one of the cheapest smartphone and the best camera smartphone that comes with a 108MP primary camera. Not only it has got great rear camera, it also packs a 16MP camera on the front for selfies with an aperture of f2.45. Coming to the dimensions of the phone measures 8.1mm in thickness and weighs around 176 grams, and it is a lightweight smartphone. It was launched in illuminating yellow, infinite black and infinite blue colors. The price of the phone is kept around 18,000 for the 6GB model and 20,000 for the 8GB model. And in the international market, you will get this phone for $280 to $300. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Realme 8. The less expensive model of the Realme 8 series is the Realme 8. Realme 8 smartphone was also launched on the 24th of March 2021. The phone comes with a beautiful 6.4-inch screen with a full HD Plus resolution. Realme 8 is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Helio G95 processor coupled with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. The Realme 8 runs Android 11 software and it is powered by huge 5000 mAh of battery, comes with a fast charging support. As far as cameras are concerned, you don't find a 108MP primary camera like in the 8 Pro. Here there is a 64MP primary camera with an aperture of f1.79, a 8MP camera with an aperture of f2.25, a 2MP camera with an aperture of f2.4 and another 2MP camera with an aperture of f2.4. The rear camera looks promising and will take the good quality pictures. Coming to the selfie camera, there is a 16MP of selfie camera with an aperture of f2.45 to take decent selfies. Coming to the dimensions of the phone measures 7.99mm in thickness and weighs around 177 grams. The smartphone was launched in cyber black and cyber silver colors. That looks cool. Coming to the price of the phone will cost you around 14 to 15,000 Indian rupees, and in the international market you will get it for around $200. Realme GT 5G. Realme GT 5G is the latest flagship from Realme, launched on 4th of March 2021 in China. The phone comes with a 6.43-inch of beautiful screen which will give you immersive display experience. Realme GT 5G is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The Realme GT 5G runs Android 11 software and it is powered by 4500 mAh of battery, comes with a fast charging support. As far as cameras are concerned, on this flagship smartphone from Realme, the smartphone packs a triple rear camera on the back, comprising of 64MP primary camera with an aperture of f1.8, a 8MP camera with an aperture of f2.3, a 2MP camera with an aperture of f2.4. Not only it has got an amazing camera at the rear, it packs a 16 megapixel sensor with an aperture of f2.5 to take beautiful selfies. The Realme GT 5G runs Realme UI 2.0, which is based on Android 11 and packs 128GB of inbuilt storage. The smartphone was launched in silver, blue and racing yellow colors. Realme Narzo 30 Pro 5G. Realme Narzo 30 Pro 5G is currently the least expensive 5G phone. It will cost you around 17,000 in India, and in the international market you will get it for around $240 to $250. The smartphone comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus LCD panel with a good level of brightness and color saturation. Realme Narzo 30 Pro runs the MediaTek Dimensity 800U chipset coupled with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Coming to the processor, MediaTek Dimensity 800U, which comes with a built-in 5G modem and is quite powerful and power efficient. Software on the Realme Narzo 30 Pro 5G is a bit of a letdown since it still comes with the Android 10 and not the Android 11. Coming to the cameras on the Realme 30 Pro 5G, there is a primary 48 megapixel camera, a 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies, there is a 16MP of front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. Coming to the dimensions of the phone measures 9.1mm in thickness and weighs around 194 grams. The phone packs 5000 mAh of battery, comes with a fast charging support. Buy this smartphone for its good battery life, quick charging, snappy overall performance and the great 120Hz display which will give you immersive display experience. The disappointments are, the design is not good, it has got a weak low light camera performance and bloatware can be annoying sometimes. Realme X7 Pro 5G. The Realme X7 Pro 5G looks quite similar to the Realme 7 Pro, especially the design of the rear camera module. The display is one of the highlights of the Realme X7 Pro, which is a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED panel with an in-display fingerprint sensor, 120Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass 5 and the support for HDR video playback. Another exciting thing about this smartphone is the MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus 5G chipset, which is a power-efficient chipset with a strong CPU and GPU performance. The Realme X7 Pro 5G is still running Realme UI 1.0 based on Android 10 and not Android 11. Realme X7 Pro 5G has a familiar camera configuration which we have already seen in the Realme 7 Pro. You get a 32 megapixel selfie camera on the front to take beautiful selfies, and at the back there are 4 sensors which include 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, 2 megapixel monochrome camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera. As we have seen in many of the reviews, the daylight performance is good, but this phone struggles to give satisfactory results in low light. Buy this smartphone for its vivid Super AMOLED 120Hz display, super fast charging, smooth performance and the great stereo speakers. The disappointments are, the design is not so great, weak low light camera performance and there is no Android 11, pre-installed bloatware can be annoying. So these are some of the best, newly launched, latest, best Realme phones that you can consider to buy right now in 2021. If I had missed any of the best Realme phone, please comment in the comment section. Which is your favorite Realme phone from this list? Please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.